How's it going, YouTube? SizzG here, back with some Rogue Company gameplay. Today I will be trying out Anvil. I haven't really tried him much, but I saw a video and his LMG looks really powerful. And I was very against using him at first, but I think I'm going to try it out. Let's look at his abilities. He has a barricade. Deploy a barricade that blocks damage and movement. Activate again to break the glass and create medium cover. He has a passive ability, immunity, gain immunity to disorientants and blind effects. That's pretty useful. And then he has a shotgun and an LMG. So yeah, we're gonna hop into some strike zone and strike out, sorry, and try it out. Let's go ahead and buy his gun. Start off quite a bit of cash in this game mode, and let's try the C4. See how it goes. Then we're going to flank the left side. I'll put my barrier down on these stairs whenever I get to them. See how it works. Like, can I shoot through it and they can't? I'm not really sure how this barrier works. Put it right here.
Deploying utility.
Got two. Oh my god, this reload is forever. I could have killed him so long ago, but this reload, man. Oh, shit. Got one, got two. Yo, we kind of popping off though. Go ahead and switch my pistol. Oh my god, what is my aim? We still got him though, we still got him. Okay, we kind of rolling. Not gonna lie. Oh shh. Don't have time to reload this man's gun, bro. Oh my god! I can't get his gun reloaded. Oh, that sucks. I was going off though. Alright, 7 kills, 1 life. Not too bad. There's 3 of them left. Should have this win. Let's try to get a few more kills though. Where they at? Oh, that was a bad engagement, This sucks. I don't know why they're chilling in that room. Like, it's nowhere close to objective. Got the last one down there. Good round. Alright, what do we want to buy? Can we increase the reload speed? Oh, we increase mag size. That could help. I'm gonna go ahead and buy extra armor. Not that we need it, but like, I mean, might as well. I think we're gonna flank on those stairs again. Didn't actually use his C4 that entire round. Didn't actually remember about it. Try to use it here. That one really weak. How do I detonate it? Oh, right back. Oh, I got one! Oh my god. I didn't think I would get one like that. Got another. Let's go. Yo, this LMG really is something else, man. Just a reload. Oh my god. My aim was horrible there and I still got him. Like, this is ridiculous.
Deploying utility.
There's a shell behind us right there. That seems a little bit broken. That guy's really bad at the game. Why am I reloading? Stop. Take that guy up from behind. Oh, darn. I got two. It's unfortunate. Up by 4 on lives, though. Should be alright. Try getting another C4 kill here. Oof. I don't know why I'm reloading.
Lethal out.
I don't know why I thought that would hit him. That does not have the best range. Bad engagement there. Horrible aim. Just gonna reload and flank.
We only have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Get him down. Oh.
Skill is obvious.
Why are you trying to run, buddy? Nah, I got them both. Oh, darn it! Oh, I didn't see that guy. They're out of lives, though. Should be good. I'm not used to this type of playstyle. I'm used to really small and fast characters. So, it's a little bit different for me.
Deploying utility.
But I'm working with what I got. The reload is also killing me on this. I don't have the best aim with his gun either. But, I mean, for the most part, I think his gun is extremely powerful. I think, honestly, for anyone that... Oh my god, what's my aim? Alright, got the last one. Good round. I think anyone that, like, is good with his gun, like... It kind of needs to be nerfed, not gonna lie. Especially with this 90 clip. You probably... I'm gonna try to full upgrade it. Okay, handling and rage increase, but... Yeah, with a 90 clip and it having insane damage. Heals for a significant amount over a short time. That's pretty good too. Yeah, this guy seems pretty stacked, not gonna lie. It's just his reload and his movement speed is what kills me. But if you're just holding down a point and sitting there and spraying at people, this is definitely the character to play. Like if your play style is just camping on a point, holding it down, then I would definitely recommend this character. My aim is not there right now. Oh, I got 100 that. Okay, I died anyway. That's probably my worst life this game, I think. That was unfortunate.
Come on, try again.
Took his finish real quick. We won't talk about it though.
Deploying utility.
How am I hitting my shield there? Okay, got the knock. I'm a little confused with the hitbox on the shield, but okay. It's all good. I don't know what he was he rezzing? I think it was, yeah. Oh, free kill right there. Let's try to use a C4. Coming around this corner. That was a bad throw. Oh, I hit him with it. Oh, I got killed from behind. I think I'm trying to focus on his abilities too much. I want to like showcase them the best I can, but I don't think I'm doing a great job of it. It's unfortunate. Oh my god, he's right in front of you. Aim, Joe.
Your lack of skill is obvious. Deploying utility. Enemies are out of reinforcements. I'm down. Didn't expect that.
did.
Got the pistol swap kill? Oh, dang. I thought that was my teammate. I don't really know why. But I could have sworn he was shooting at the guy that I just killed. That's all good. We're about to catch this dub. They got one guy left. We got 5 lives. And he's right here. He's dead. Good game. Good game. So there you guys go. That's some Anvil gameplay for you. I know I didn't optimize his shield too much. I didn't really understand how to use it. I kind of realized afterwards that you could like break the glass and then shoot through it and use it as cover. But I didn't in the video, so sorry. But I think Anvil's a pretty good character. If you want to play on point, I feel like every team could use one, honestly, later in, like, when people figure out the game more and stuff like that. I feel like it's a pretty good character, so try him out for yourself, and I hope you enjoy the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.